Sports just wouldn't be the same without the cheers and applause of fans. How does one become an avid sports fan? Chinese President Xi Jinping has an insight. He considers sports to be an important hobby, and he attributes his good health to engaging in regular exercise from an early age. When he was a boy, he often went skating on the frozen lake of Shishahai as soon as he put down his school bag after class. He also likes playing football.
我在这个地方踢过球啊，那都是50多年前了。当然都这个球场都是那个土场子了。
Keeping fit has also become an integral part of his routine.
我这个对于这个像足球、篮球、排球、网球都很喜欢。作为国家领导人呢，我们已经以身许国啊，工作肯定是一种超负荷的一种状态，但是呢，也要注意一张一弛，劳逸结合啊。这个，比如我本人呢，现在就是还是抽出时间来啊，来游泳。1天1000米。
He once said, "Swimming is my favorite sport." During his tenure as a local official in Fujian province, he successfully crossed from the Gulanggu Islet to the opposite shore in Xiamen. He also swam in the Yuanyangxi Lake in Ningda. He's interested in numerous different sports: mountaineering, archery, and boxing.
我那个年轻时候练过拳击，但是呢，这个我看他那个勾拳啊还是比较好。咱们国家的运动员用勾拳不多，对，你看那欧洲运动员那勾拳呢还很有威胁，是吧？直拳摆拳这还可以。
But his love for sports goes beyond personal growth. Championing sports as a way to improve the health of the nation is an important part of his work. Back in 1984, when he served as party chief for Zhending, he organised a county sports meeting, where more than 1,300 people competed in events such as track and field, gymnastics, and even dancing. In 2000, he was in charge of a project in Jiangzhou to build a training venue for the Chinese women's volleyball team.
促进群众体育和竞技体育全面发展，加快建设体育强国。
In his visits to other countries, sports have also helped him connect with different people. The variety of gifts he has been presented with are a token of friendship. He is highly experienced, having participated in numerous tournaments. In one particular tournament, he took on a large responsibility. He played a leading role in both the bidding and preparation process for the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. He has a clear vision about the important role of sports in society, said IOC President Thomas Bach, calling him a true champion and wanting to give him a set of medals. With the 31st FISU World University Games in Chengdu having just concluded, the sports fan is setting out for a new international tournament, the 19th Asian Games, which is slated to open on September 23rd. In Hangzhou, he will attend the opening ceremony and declare the games open. Zhao Yo.